So I am here in the Hungry Bites. Let's try the burger in here, but there's no Wi-Fi, so let's try this. Cheese pineapple. Well, I like cheese and pineapple. Giant cheeseburger, my goodness. I can't eat that all. This cheese pineapple with the fries on it. I think I'll try that one. First time here, so yeah, let's try. Oh, they have also here a hungry meal. Very, oh, it's okay, 210, 6 pieces with the chicken. 2 burger stick, 150. They have also grilled barbecue. Oh wow, brewed coffee, 90 pesos. Wow. Pasta. Yeah, that's the burger serve and the fries with the iced tea. Let's eat. Napuyog lang sa